In a world where every keystroke shapes the future. Welcome to the Department of Computer Engineering, where we empower minds that will create tomorrow's technology. Established in 1984, our department offers a 4-year B.Tech program in computer engineering with an intake of 180 students and 2-year M.Tech program with an intake of 26 students.
Our autonomous curriculum has been designed to be NEP compliant, industry-oriented, and focuses on imparting knowledge and skills to the students for their 360-degree development and meet stakeholder expectations. Our alumni are performing excellent in the software industry across the globe and also have their own startups. We are committed to the cause of quality education and strive for excellence in all our endeavors.
Academic activities are conducted under the guidance of highly qualified and passionate faculty members dedicated to shaping the next generation of technology leaders. Our infrastructure features well-furnished computer laboratories, digital classrooms equipped with modern teaching aids and sustainable tools, creating an ideal environment for innovation and sustainable learning. Our annual technical events serve as a vibrant platform for students to foster their innovative excellence. Through innovative projects, challenges, hackathons, and coding competition, they tackle real-world problems with creativity, skill, and a forward-thinking approach. Our students have excelled in various prestigious competitions, secured NPTEL certification, qualified in GATE examinations, and are selected for showcasing their startup ideas. Our department takes pride in its strong and accomplished alumni network, with graduates holding prominent positions in leading organizations both in India and abroad. The active student associations at various levels such as ACM, Association for Computing Machinery, CSI, Computer Society of India, and ACES, Association of Computer Engineering Students, play a vital role in nurturing a vibrant technical culture through a diverse range of events and activities at various levels. With experienced faculty bringing both academic and industry expertise, our teaching-learning process ensures students receive cutting-edge knowledge and practical skills, preparing them for successful careers in their chosen fields of specialization. From startup pitching competitions to innovation challenges, our students are encouraged to cultivate entrepreneurial thinking and develop solutions for real-world problems. Beyond academics, our students participate in sports tournaments and cultural events, developing holistic personalities ready for global challenges. Our robust placement ecosystem has consistently helped students secure positions at leading technology companies, with our highest placement reaching an impressive 52 lakh rupee package at Microsoft, an average package of 6.30 lakh rupee package, well above industry norms, ensuring our students are well prepared for success in the professional world. D.Y.Patil College of Engineering, Computer Engineering Department, where algorithms meet ambition and today's learners become tomorrow's tech leaders and striving for betterment of humanity. Your journey to digital excellence begins here.